What if I told you there's a way to make $10,000 as a student, even if you don't have any special skills or experience? You may think it's impossible, but I'm here to tell you it's not. So if you're looking for a way to boost your income, or you're just curious about how to make money as a student, then be sure to stick around for the whole video. To make $10,000 a month as a student, you need three main components. The right vehicle. To make $10,000 a month as a student, the first step is to find the right way to earn money. This means identifying a legitimate and feasible income source. It's essential to consider your unique circumstances, skills, and interests. For students, this often includes part-time jobs, freelance work, or side hustles related to their field of study. Like if you're studying in creative fields, then you can sell services of thumbnail designing, video editing, or anything related to your study. As a student, financial resources might be limited, making it crucial to avoid high-risk ventures. Speculative trading or investment can lead to significant losses, which students generally cannot afford. Look for opportunities that have a reasonable level of stability and don't jeopardize your financial security. An online business. An online business is a versatile option for students aiming to achieve a consistent $10,000 monthly income. It offers flexibility, scalability, and the possibility to work remotely. A lean online business implies minimizing costs while maximizing efficiency. Options include e-commerce stores, blogs, YouTube channels, affiliate marketing, and more. Online businesses operate 24/7 and can generate income even while you're studying or sleeping. However, they require time and effort to establish. Building a successful online business involves creating valuable content, attracting an audience, and in some cases, investing money up front to kickstart your venture. It's essential to be patient and persistent. Free cash flow. Beyond making money, you need to ensure that the income is available for covering your monthly expenses. In other words, it's not just about growing your overall wealth, but having enough money on hand for your immediate needs. Effective budgeting is crucial. It involves keeping track of your expenses, savings, and ensuring that you have a surplus of money, free cash flow left over each month to meet your $10,000 goal. This financial discipline helps you prioritize spending and savings to reach your desired income. Having a high net worth is less important than having accessible cash. Many wealthy individuals have their money tied up in assets or businesses, making it inaccessible for immediate use. Some business types like e-commerce may seem profitable, but with low margins and the need for constant reinvestment, you may not keep much profit. Service-based businesses with high perceived value or high leverage are often more lucrative. Your service should either offer something that clients find very valuable and are willing to pay for, or it should be scalable through delegation and team expansion, allowing you to maintain a reasonable profit margin. To make $10,000 a month, choose the right business model based on your current stage. Service-based businesses or offering high-value services like Facebook ads, email automation, funnel building, etc., with the potential for leverage are often more effective than businesses with low margins and constant reinvestment needs, like e-commerce. Starting as a solopreneur can get you to $10,000 a month, but beyond that, you'll need to use leverage, hiring others to help deliver your services or products. Don't compare your income to unrealistic standards set by social media. 20 years ago, making $4,000 a month without a traditional job would be considered a great achievement. Nowadays, it's easy to feel inadequate if you're not making more. Understand that exceptional success requires dedication, good timing, and a bit of luck. Don't be disheartened if you're not immediately hitting massive financial milestones. Success often takes time. Remember that even the wealthiest entrepreneurs often had humble beginnings. Even making a modest income online, like $1,200 a month, is a significant achievement. Don't underestimate the progress you make on your journey. Be prepared for periods of slow growth, but understand that success often comes in bursts. Sometimes you'll experience short-term setbacks, but keep pushing forward. Success may not follow a linear path. It's crucial to remain persistent and dedicated to your goals. Over time, your hard work will pay off. So there you have it. If you're serious about making money as a student, I encourage you to take action today. It may take some time and effort, but if you're persistent, you can achieve your goal of making $10,000 as a student. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online.